Well, I'm back out on the bike. It's Monday, 1:20 in the afternoon. It's going to take it Winsford, put some juice in, because our fuel station ain't got fuck all. And the reason I'm out on a Monday and not at work, because I've been signed off from work for 2 weeks.
Like a motherfucker stuck. Can you picture middle finger out the window getting fucked off? Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga, pass me the blood, let me...
Yeah, I went in work this morning, been struggling with work for the last probably month, maybe 2. Just hating it more than normal. I mean, I've never been one for work, but he's been getting on top of me a bit. Fucking struggling, just wanting to jack it, fuck it off, walk out, get another job. But I knew that wouldn't solve me problems. I'd still be fucking depressed if I got another job. So anyway, I went in work this morning, felt fucking depressed straight away. I thought, fuck it, I'm going ring doctors and get on some antidepressants. Thorough doctors, got in there, explained the situation, went down to see the doctor, had an appointment at 10 to 11, so I went down Northwich to doctors, spoke to the doctor about it. No, I never got my antidepressants. Do you reckon it's all kicking in? Fucking like depression, grief and stress and that. Through losing my dad. Maybe that's what it is. It probably is. I knew it'd come back and fucking bite me in the arse. Could have sort of like, I don't know, kept it to the back of my head. But yeah, it's come and fucking drop kicked me straight in the chest now. So she said, oh it's grievance, gave me numbers, I'll contact these, talk to them. She said, what do you think about it? I said, well, I'll probably not ring these numbers. You know what I mean? I was just hoping for a tablet and that's it. I could have carried on at work, could have coped. Because lately it's been like, I've been getting in work, I've been praying for an awkward customer, just someone I can fucking blow up at. But I've been tired a lot lately of, you know, fucking emotional. So I knew something wasn't right. But yeah, she never gave me any. She said that's the last resort. I think it's, you're grieving now and you need to talk to someone. Well, thought that if I'm going to talk to someone, I'll talk to my family. So she said, I'll give you 2 weeks off, I'll sign you off for 2 weeks and do something, like one thing each day that you enjoy. Today I'm on my bike, I'm going to take it for a little run. It's fucking freezing, it was sunny when I knocked off work. So I'm going to fill this up. I'm going down to see my mum after. She's done me a salad for tea, which is a bonus. So yeah, they're the last resort. Alright, fuck it, I'll have the 2 weeks off work, because otherwise I'd end up getting sacked anyway. I'm looking for fucking miver at work. Got no, just can't concentrate on the job. No fucking, I don't want to be there at the moment. I mean, work's work, innit? Nobody wants to be there, but it's been worse. It's been where I just want to jack the job. So I'm going to take the 2 weeks off and I'm going to join the gym. I'm going to join the gym and I'm going to join Wednesday, go Thursday morning. Everyone's going to be at work, aren't they? So it'll be quiet in the gym, perfect time start. And that'll help me fucking feel better. It'll help me health and it'll help me fucking feel better as well. So I'm going to do that. So Thursday morning will be my first time at gym. And I'm going to take my mum out every day. Go out, get her out, because fuck me, if I'm going through this, she must be going through it twice as bad, 10 times worse than me. So yeah, our boss has been great. He has been good about it. He said, look, just fucking get yourself sorted, take your time, and if you need to talk, give me a ring. Oh fuck yeah, no, it's nice. They've been great all through December. I was off most of December with my dad. But yeah, I just need to get my head sorted, so that's my plan. I'm going to start the gym, get out on my bike, go out every day with my mum, and sort my fucking head out. Because I'm sick of feeling like shit. Can't believe it's gone fucking freezing. Look at them clouds there. I don't know if you can see them on the GoPro. Proper swirly bastards, they're going to piss down on me. I've got my work pants still on. Just fucking combats, that's all I've got. And my trainers. Not even got my boots on or my jeans. So yeah, that's my life so far. I'll get my fucking head sorted. But yeah, I knew what it was. But still, give me a fucking tablet, love. That helps. Anything that helps. But no, so I'm going to have to do it the old-fashioned way. And just fucking get myself sorted. I think I'll feel a lot better once I start a gym again. I'm not going to lift big weights, but I am lifting weights. I just want to get myself in shape again. And I remember last time, before I started the gym years ago, I was fucking stuck in a rut, and within probably a month of going, I had more energy, I felt better. So yeah, maybe this is a kick in the ass I fucking needed. Fucking dad always said never let the cunts grind you down. Well, it was beginning to. So we'll see. We've not got bad. We've not got a bad few weeks. Got camping at home, and it's nice to be off. Nice to be off with me mum. Not thinking about fucking ordering some bullshit things, getting prices for them. Just shit that you really, it's at the bottom of your list. You know what I mean? You think, fuck me, mate, all this shit, and you're fucking wanting no price on this, and you probably won't buy it. You're just wasting me fucking time. And that's how I was thinking all the time. I'll move my mic up in my cheek pad and I'll see if that makes any difference, because I've noticed a bit of wind noise over the last few fucking videos, because I think my chin guard's a bit fucked now. I might turn my grips on. Let's get them on. It's fucking not warm. I need to get myself some warmer gloves. I've got the Androids, but they're still like a summer glove. I do like them. It's just you see the gap there between my knuckle and the mirror? Well, with the Androids on, it's near touching with a bit of plastic on top. So it plays on my mind. A bit OCD-ish on shit like that. Oh, I'm getting winded again. You hit me as soon as I started going on bike again. Because this is what we did. Videos were for my dad. And when I was doing them then, I had someone to talk to. That's who I was directing all at, my dad. Now who do you direct it at? I'm not making them for him now, am I? It's like fucking, he's just, direct the fuckers. Right, I'm going to turn you off because I'm going in this garage here. And I get embarrassed when people come up and ask for autographs, cunts. Yeah, I think it's took so long kicking in, because I've kept myself busy going down to my mum's all the time. So it's been something else, keep your mind occupied, make sure she's alright. Well, yeah, it's got to come at some time, and it's come now. And I know you get tons of people. Yeah, just give the bell if you need talk. How many people do you ring? None, do you? Just it's just the way I look at it, it's not going to make any difference. You know what I mean? I can talk to my little friend in my head in bathroom or something if I want to. I talk to myself enough like now. If you're depressed, you're depressed. I talk to them if they had an antidepressant in the pocket just to get that off them. But no, I appreciate it. I fucking do. But I don't think I'd call anyone. Just something you got to fucking deal with, innit? Every fucker goes through it. I think my mum's out, so I don't even know why I'm coming here this early, but I do want a piss. So I might use her house for a piss stop. She should be out with her son. But yeah, all this bouncing about in this cold weather's got me ready for a little slash. Look me, where's his head gone? Alright mate. See? You think you've got problems and you see someone like that with no head? Fuck me. But yeah, I'm looking forward to a camping trip in May. I really am. I need that shit.
A few moments later.
Well, that's piss stop done. Enjoyed it. Got a shiver when I was doing it and all. Enough of me going on about my problems. Let's try to get rid of a few on the way home. That blew a few of my problems away, it really did. Always got to ease off here, normally police to the right. Hoping this mic won't bring up as much wind noise. Fucking love this bike, I do. Love it. Come on you son bitch, get round. I've warmed up, I've got used to it now. Look, no grips on. I'm a brave lad, I really am. When we get home, get a brew. Don't know whether I treat myself to a rye Vita. And then I'll be going down my mum's. Go down my mum's about 4. What time is it now? Can't see now because that film's that dark that's on my thing. So it's 2 o'clock now. So I'll go down my mum's at about 4. See how Queenie. See how this little beautiful lady's holding up. Grow up mate, and wheeling it up there then. Loving it he is. Fucking better rider than me, that's for sure. Can wheelie a push bike. Anyway, next video I'll give you an update. Let you know if I've been gym on Thursday morning. I'm fucking determined to do it. I know, I've said it tons of times before, it'll happen. Mark my fucking words, it'll happen. helmet's a lot better than our loggy. You had to tighten the strap up because I lost a chin. Slow down here. Be a good boy. Jumping these bricks, that's for sure. Big dick's coming through. Fuck it, this is going to be my little therapist here, YouTube, I think. I'll just make some videos, chat to myself. Fagging a brew now. Right. Get back to you after a bin gym, yeah? Let you know how hard it was. Okay, Roger Dodgers. See ya. Just my fucking luck. The sun's come out. Look. No wonder I'm depressed.